Hey everybody, welcome back. Tell you what, we just got back from the most awesome motorcycle vacation ever. I think. Yeah, it was good. It was real good. Went with the cousins, my family and friends, and we had a great time. Tell you, first before I get into the video any farther, I have to thank these guys right here, these two. We love these two guys, Chris and Tracy. They're our road captains. They do all the work. They did all the work for planning this trip. They like plan all year for next year. Cousin Chris, he reads the road maps, he programs the routes, and looks at everything and makes sure we have nice routes to ride for motorcycles. They plan the dealership trips and the hotels, all that stuff. Well, we just wouldn't have a good time without these two guys. We appreciate all the work you guys do. We love you guys, and we're gonna do it again, I know. So if you know these guys, show them some love. If they're on your Facebook or social media or whatever, show them some love. But our trip this year, we went through 7 states. Yep, we left the Harley Barn, Muskegon, Michigan. We went through Ohio, New York, Pennsylvania. I want to say Delaware all the time, but we didn't go to Delaware. We went to Brattleboro, Vermont. Stayed in Vermont for the week. And we went to New Hampshire. Went to Laconia Bike Week for a day. I think I'm missing one. We went to Massachusetts because Skulls, my brother Chris, Skulls we call him, he went down and spent a couple of days with his buddy in the Cape Cod area. We left him down there, had seafood. It was just an awesome vacation. We rode the Green Mountains in Vermont. We rode the White Mountains in New Hampshire, which I might say was an awesome experience riding the White Mountains. It's pretty comparable to riding in Tennessee in the Blue Ridge. Yeah, big time. If you haven't went, you need to check it out. So we just got back and kind of unwinded, let the butt breathe a little bit, got the bikes all cleaned up because we got rain down. We had to wear coats all the time because it was a little chilly. It was mostly in the 60s, except for Laconia. It was in the upper 80s, really hot. And this is the hard part for me here. I gotta put my glasses on so you can't see my eyes tear up. This is the hard part. I mentioned we stopped at 7 dealerships, at least 7 that I can think of, maybe more. We even found an Indian dealership, was way down in Massachusetts. There's not many dealerships out there, but we even got to go to that. I got my glasses on now. You can't see my eyes tear up because I have some news. I took footage. I had the 360 camera and the GoPro going. I had 7 days of video. I had so much footage to go through. Like the first 2 days, I had to empty the SD cards of both cameras, and I put it on a computer and then commenced to filling up the SD cards again after that. And I planned on breaking our video up into maybe 3 sections. At least 3, because I had at least an hour worth of video for the whole day at Laconia Bike Week. It was awesome. I tell you, it's a chance of a lifetime for me to be able to go, I'm sure, and a lot of you would like to go too. And when I got home, I was getting the videos all arranged and put together and everything, and something happened. Something happened. I pushed the wrong button, and most of my footage goes right down the shitter. In this video, I'm going to show you guys is like is the footage I had left, including some of the pictures that we had on our phones that we took and everything. So it's my apologies to my family and friends, Chris and Brett, and my cousin Scott and Cindy, and Chris and Tracy, and my wife Shelly. I pushed the wrong freaking button. I thought I had the video saved. They're gone. Thought I had all that footage. I had epic footage. We had things happen you can only imagine. We had some highway incidences where things happen, right, Bert? And we had the most epic footage in the White Mountains. Just a nice curvy mountainous ride. It was awesome. We spent the afternoon with cousin Chris's friend that used to work in Muskegon. He now lives in Dover. I believe it's Dover, Vermont. They invited us over to their house, and we had a barbecue, a fire. We got to ride four-wheelers, and they had the most beautiful view of the mountains from his hunting blind on their property. We brought home a rock. I need to show you the rock. We got that rock. Rodney went out and he got us a white crystal. Rodney had used it to mark a spot in the property so his mom could see from the house window what the water level was in the pond out there. And he went out and just handpicked that rock and gave it to us. So that's going in the rock garden over there. That's our Rodney rock. It was special. It was an awesome time. And I again apologize for losing all the footage. I feel so bad, but we have memories. At least we all went on the trip. We have the memories up here. You know, it's not electronic. We have memories in there that don't go away. It was a trip to remember, and I was just excited to be able to share all of that with you, whoever watches my videos. So with all of that being said, here's the footage that I had left of our trip, and I hope you enjoy that, and we'll be going on some more soon, I'm sure. Thanks for watching, y'all. Yep, everything's wet today. We're going anyways. Where are we going? Maine.
We're going swimming.
We're going to look for lobster.
Swimming on 2 wheels.
We're going to Maine.
Yep.
In the rain.
It's pretty much just for a solo seat.
Yeah.
Once you get that back unwrapped, it'd be good.
We got a butt crack gap filler. Put on the Indian seat.
Harley car down
It's going to fill the butt crack right up.
Is it?
Yep. That's an airflow.
Got a lot of butt crack.
That's an airflow pad.
That's about as far as it goes.
For now, that's got to be it.
Yeah.
Take the seat off, get it on there, and then strap it back down.
But the straps are just looped, Scott?
Huh?
They're just looped, it's sewed
There's one in
in.
the front.
Yeah, tug it in the hole.
I had my driver's
that'll help,
backrest. I could have hooked it right there.
Those let your butt breathe.
Do they? You need that thing. You're going to scissor here.
My butt's breathing. I'm talking out it. I'm talking out my
You're already
butt.
saying your ass stinks.
You want We might have that 6-cylinder front. The Indian never had the real thing.
I'm getting a bike. Yeah, look at that. That's the first Indian store we found in the whole trip, somewhere down in Massachusetts. All these other guys are Harleys. We had to do cousin Scott a favor, find an Indian dealer. Now there's 2 Harleys got traded in right there. What's out there, Bert? The ocean, the freaking ocean. Yeah, buddy.
And I'm going like, I told him, I said, it's probably freezing.
What's out there, cuz?
My pinky was like,
Water.
No.
Lots of water.
It's as far as east as we can go.
here, Dort.
I don't miss the ocean at all.
Get over here, Dort.
Pretty good picture of that.
We went to the ocean.
Wanna go do where?
I'd rather sit down.
Ray's Seafood. The ocean's right over that hill right there. We're gonna go in and get a burger. We're going
to get a burger?
Yeah, I'm freaking getting a hot dog. I can't afford lobster.
Live lobster, $7.99.
We come to get lobster. I'm getting a hot dog.
You getting a hot dog?
Hot dog.
Not getting a Krabby Patty?
My dog's cold
like
now.
that peanut
Krabby
shaped
Patty. Yeah. Hey, there's what's his name?
Mr. Krabs?
Mr. Krabs.
Don't ask me why.
He's everywhere.
He just put his hustle to.
You guys
Hey.
all together?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, how many are you?
30.
I don't know now.
9?
9 of us.
All right, we'll set you up upstairs.
Okay.
Cool.
Just going up? Or?
Just go head up.
Where she went? Where you go?
There's a bathroom upstairs as well.
We're going upstairs. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's a restroom up here too.
What are you doing? You are here.
Yeah, you gotta do Hysteria.
Really?
We did Norton Shores. In Muskegon.
Yeah, that side of Michigan's pretty light. Go up there.
Close enough. I can't even read it.
Yeah, it's gonna be the earring.
Ladies first.
Always.
We get the upstairs booth. Yeehaw. I'm getting a hot dog.
Hot dog here?
I hope so.
Oh, gross.
That's a bar over there.
The hot dog.
That's probably where the restaurant, where the bathroom is. Where's your restroom up here? Right there, Scott.
It's over there. Got a view, Bert. Y'all got hot dogs here? Yeah?
You are not getting a damn hot
Hey,
dog.
hey, hey, hey. Where'd Shelly go? She bathroom, huh?
Another big seafood plate with fries.
Oh, you had a baked potato.
I had
didn't
baked
you?
potato.
Seafood plate. Baked potato. Yeah.
Over here. Bam, seafood plate.
This is the lazy man.
Like we got Popeyes.
What'd you get? Same thing. Same thing? I don't see it. I don't see it, Bert.
Oh, that looks good.
This one. I could share half of this with you because I can't.
See? She gets a big old salad and I get bitched out for a hot dog. Really? Really? Totally not fair. Cozy. All right, we're going to Laconia today. Laconia, New Hampshire. That's the reason for our trip, pretty much. taking pictures. I'm right here. Hey, look at you.
What?
Yeah, dude.
Are you gonna buy me today?
The toad right there is all decked out. That's full toad bikes. They must all need work.
That's an ugly set of fucking lights. I don't care what you say.
I know. It's a little lopsided.
How'd you get down here so fast? You slide on your
Downhill.
ass all the way down?
Everything fast.
Really? I seen you walk around the parking lot the other day.
Go, Shelly.
If I could just claim the word everything a little.
Yeah. Windshield.
I ain't got nothing in my life.
Gotcha.
That's what I want right there.
The white one? The white one? Beautiful. That makes it feel a little better.
Check out that. Cindy, there you go.
Yeah, that's one of them air cushion things. Huh? Oh yeah.
For a short leg.
Foreman's back. Hello.
Yeah, Hogwarts. Hogwarts.
Everybody. Where's the Hogwarts tent? Yeah, we should go check that out. They got good shit. Where'd they go?
Oh my god. I didn't see the chicken over.
Hell, she's gonna sell some bikes. She's gonna sell some bikes. Yeah. So he goes like, wanna hit? You wanna hit? Yeah, the good thing about this camera, you don't have to point it just over.
Everybody look like that.
I bet you have to save that book twice a day.
In there? Nope, he's over there. I see his shirt. Yeah, he's over there. That's Mary. I don't know what they're on there. Looking at something.
Yeah, too many people. Where'd everybody go?
Listen, Trace here over there and
We don't care where it's going.
went that way.
He'd be doing.
Zero, you gotta love Zero.
Oh
I
yeah.
got so many Zero boxes
Look at this
and
stuff.
stickers.
This guy's got stuff too. That's the back. That's the rack I want to get.
That's cereal that I was talking about.
Oh yeah.
There's your
Good. I've been looking at that rack there online. That bottom one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the black one. Don't see no Indian stuff in there. You looking at, Bert?
Bike, then we get it up.
Yeah, get it up. Zero 3D.
Well, this is like last play.
Hey, TJ. $159.
Wow. And where's that one that fits in the?
I'm wondering though how much it
This
would
one.
be installed.
That's the light strike. See? It goes right in there. Where are we going now?
We're going right out here. We're following this till we get to the Army Washington Hotel.
Oh.
And then we're going to go on the very straight to the Prohibition Speakeasy.
They're whiny. Uh-oh. The Bach yelled at you.
They don't know I can't hear them.
You're in serious trouble now.
I could hear it was a woman's voice, but that's all I heard.
He's not allowed to associate.
They're jealous because I got the better bike.
Get up here for a picture.
Hey, Bert.
What's up, Billy?
She's trying to take a picture.
Oh.
Hey, you can stand on any of those.
I didn't know we had help.
Thank
Oh,
you.
Thank you.
You too.
Have a nice trip.
Good one.
Good one. Did you have that on going around here?
Oh yeah. Not this one, the other one. The other one works way better.
The other one was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm thinking away. Oh, crap.
Did you see us up there going?
Yeah, I did, and I got my camera.
That's one of the best best ones we've been on, I think, so far.
Right.
Don't you?
One stop that I wish I would have pulled into too. That would have been
Skull's missed out.
full in type of thing.
I like how we followed the river and I was watching.
Yeah.
Little fall.
Yeah, well, it's like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
That was way
Good
cool.
ride, guys.
We should go over here and go around the hairpin here.
Yeah. That was cool. Heck yeah. That's awesome. Doesn't get any better than this, I don't think. Huh? I know. I like the roller coaster stuff when we first got on. Yeah. White Mountain Loop.
White Mountain Loop.
That is crazy. Looks like it wants to swallow you up.
Yeah.
Ah, we should have parked our bikes like.
Yeah.
Crazy.
We didn't have that car right there.
You never see anything prettier than that, y'all. We are at Wheelie House Historical Site, White Mountain, New Hampshire. Dang. That is so cool. You wouldn't believe how high that is. You probably can't tell in the camera. Oh, that goes up there. Dang. I've never seen anything like that. Have you?
Gorgeous, isn't it?
We've never seen anything like that.
No, it's absolutely beautiful.
Awesome.
Color is amazing.
Looks like it wants to swallow you up.
I could just go lay down over there and go sleep.
Yeah, no doubt. You look up and get dizzy.
How much fun would that be?
If she is a bird, I'd fly up to that big old crack up there. See the big old crack? If I was a bird, I'd fly up there. I should have brought the drone. We fly up that mountain. Selfie, huh? One way. Mount Willie's up there. Mount Webster is up there. On both sides. It's like an Oreo stuck in the middle. Totally awesome.
find your signature so we can write your name on there.
Hey, taking my picture. Oh,
Oh,
we got that. You saw, she smacked me right in the jaw.
she's ornery.
You were right.
Yeah, she needs a beer.
Ooh, duck food. You feeding the ducks? I knew you were. I knew you were.
Just one duck.
Oh, he's a lucky duck. You throw $100 in the water and it brings you good luck for a week.
You ain't got nobody to fight for.
Yeah, it's on. What do you think, Bert? Yeah, it is. Yeah. If we was a bird, I'd fly up to that crack up there. I bet somebody lived up there, probably.
Is there?
Yeah. Up there. Up there.
Mountain lion.
The
huh?
crack, dude. Dang.
It'd be badass just camp right
Beautiful.
there.
Yep.
Now parking down when we first pulled in, and that view